Introducing now our 2.5-inch professional wood chipper, the 2510. The 2510 is easy to transport around places thanks to its wagon trailer style. Its all-steel, solid design guarantees maximum performance and durability in tough jobs. Our design allows fast access to the cutting chamber to inspect the blade and other components. Our heavy-duty rotor weighs a whopping 20 pounds, and our heat-treated blade hits the wood at 36 times per second. Closing the cutting chamber is done swiftly with a quick lock knob. To start the chipper, make sure to choke the engine, move the gas knob to the on position, set the start switch to on, and increase the throttle. Pull the recoil swiftly and it should start on the first pull. Quickly make sure to move the choke lever to the run position, increase the throttle to operating speed, and we're good to go. The 2510 is designed to self-feed most branches up to 2.5 inches in diameter. I gotta tell you, it's great chipping on this little beast. How about discharging elsewhere other than the floor? No problem. The adjustable discharge deflector allows the Yardbeast to throw chips into a trash bin, a pickup bed, and many other places. To shut down the chipper, simply lower the throttle to idle position. This will disengage the clutch and then switch off. Move the choke lever to the choke position and shut off the gas access. Now you're ready to use tons of wood chips for countless uses. For example, decorating the house, making compost, you name it. To order now, please visit us at yardbeast.com. Thanks for watching.